We're going to write a Python script code to check the profitability of the RSI indicator. You can find the written code in the description below. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100, with levels above 70 indicating overbought conditions and levels below 30 indicating oversold conditions. Let's write the Python script strategy for the RSI strategy we've just discussed. With our strategy added to the trading view chart, we can now check its profitability. As usual, let's tweak some values to find the most profitable settings. Based on our backtesting results, we can see a 67% profitability for just using the RSI strategy on the 1 hour chart. However, don't forget to account for commission rates. If you learned something today, hit the like button. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Leave any comments or questions below. See you in the next video. Happy trading!